First of all, you have to make a plain cake, and the recipe is same as any other cake. The trick is that once you are done with making the batter of the cake, you have to divide it into three different sections, and each section, in each section, we will add different color. Make sure to add the food color, not the other color which is used for dyeing the clothes. So here I'm just mixing all the ingredients together and blending it well to make the batter, and then I'll divide it into different sections and I'll add a food color to it. So now I have divided the batter into three different portions, and each portion has different color, that is red, green and yellow. You can add any color of your choice. Now I have transferred the batter into the cupcake mold, and now it's ready to go into the oven. This is the remaining batter which I mixed all in a star-shaped mold. So now the cupcakes are ready. Look how beautiful they are looking, but I have to add chocolate on top of it because my nephews really like the chocolate dipped cupcakes. So this is the final product. I dipped it in choco sauce and it's so yummy. Who do we have here? Seems like a cupcake thief. Let's see what he does. Oh, no, don't take all, come back.